Once learning objectives have been formulated and suitable examinations have been found to assess the achievement of learning objectives, the next step should be to select teaching methods for the course. Here too, it may happen that you have formulated learning objectives and found a suitable exam format, but then have to realize that you do not have the necessary resources for suitable didactic methods. In this case too, it is important to coordinate the learning objectives and the exam with feasible methods. Professor Müller also takes this step and thinks about which learning activities the students have to complete in order to pass the exam and achieve the learning objectives. He then thinks about how he will support the students in these learning activities and what methods and materials he will provide them with. In order to support learning objectives with different degrees of complexity and from different areas of competence, Professor Müller, and of course you have a variety of methods at your disposal. Perhaps at this moment you can think of methods such as lectures, classic group work, or questions in the round. These and many other methods can be roughly divided into methods to gain an insight into the previous knowledge of the students, methods to enable a short exchange among the students, methods to have new knowledge developed, methods to stimulate deeper discussions, methods to accompany self-study, and much more. Back to Professor Müller. For his learning goal, the students calculate the effect sizes D, G, and R from significance test results. He provides the students with exercises to do at home, for example, which he briefly solves at the beginning of the next course. He would like to support the learning objective. The students explain the necessity of standardized effect sizes through the method of marble groups. Since Professor Müller informed his students at the beginning of the lecture about the fit of learning objectives, exams, and methods, they now also participate more in the teaching methods. Nina now also takes part in the quizzes to review content, as she can now better assess its relevance to the exam. In addition to the fundamental increase in student satisfaction and better exam results, aligning your course with the principles of constructive alignment is also likely to lead to greater student involvement.